For my county! For my county!
For your protection, move to an
Tornado possible! Jefferson County, Indiana! Here we go!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jefferson County in south-central Indiana, northeastern Clark County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Scott County in south-central Indiana, until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Scottsburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
For my county.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I actually live between them.
Locations impacted include Lexington, Saluda, Marysville, Henryville, Underwood, Painesville, Nab,
My
Chelsea,
county.
Swan Hill, and New Washington. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado,
Whoa.
a small central room and a sturdy structure.
Okay. Severe thunderstorm warning for my county on the television. TV, whatever.
On today's Outback Adventures, Tim goes out wombat wrangling.
Here we go. Here we go.
To the park. Look at you, amazing. And finds a fine feathered friend on the way back to camp.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jefferson County in south-central Indiana, northeastern Clark County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Scott County in south-central Indiana, until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Scottsburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh! Oh my god. They're relaying.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Saluda, Marysville, Henryville,
Oh, they relay.
Painesville, Nab, Chelsea, Swan Hill, and New Washington.
No.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
And I think, and you know more about it. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Spencer County and central Kentucky, central Shelby County and central Kentucky until noon. At 11:22 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Taylorsville, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar
Manufacturing
indicated.
wiki.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Taylorsville, Yoder, Mulberry, Southville, Rivals, Elk Creek, Olive Branch, Viacklin, and Old Christiansburg. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. Rest of today, a chance of showers late this morning, then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Mild. Near steady temperatures in the upper 60s. South winds 15 to 20.
Will you guys tell this one?
I would have found.
I guess so. What a bad.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Spencer County and Central Kentucky, Central Shelby County and Central Kentucky until noon Eastern Standard Time. At 11:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Taylorsville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and
Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour.
Package.
Your protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Southwest winds 20 to 30. County until 12:15 p.m. At 11:40
God.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Carrollton to 8 miles west of Frankfort, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Crittenden, Dry Ridge, Warsaw, Owenton, Kentucky Speedway, Glencoe, Kent, Sanders, Coleman, Sparta, Worthville, Monterey, Grant, Stewartsville, Elk Lake, Ryle, Northcutt, Wheatley, and Kent. This includes the following interstate: I-71 Kentucky between mile markers 39 and 70. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 144 and 160. I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 39 and 70. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 144 and 166. Attacks are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bardstown, Lebanon, Springfield, Bloomfield, Loretto, Raywick, Berg Spring, Dant, Booker, and Poland. These storms blew trees down in Hart County. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Cloudy.
Are inventing tomorrow. What do you think is important for the spirit of an inventor?
Be able to accept defeat. Your first invention's not gonna work. It's not.
So wait, you're saying one shouldn't give up immediately?
No.
Wait a second, I've been doing everything wrong my whole life. And so what project did you end up settling on? What did you make?
You have a garden hose, and you try screwing onto your spigot.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Nelson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Lewis County in central Kentucky, western Marion County in central Kentucky, northwestern Taylor County in central Kentucky, western Washington County in central Kentucky, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were from 6 miles east of Pleasantville to 6 miles north of Greensburg, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
Carol.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bardstown, Lebanon, Springfield, Bloomfield, Loretto, Raywick, Berg Spring, Dant, Bucha, and Poland. These storms blew trees down in Hart County. The main alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small...
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Scott County in central Kentucky, Bourbon County in central Kentucky, northwestern Nicholas County in central Kentucky, central Fayette County in central Kentucky, Harrison County in central Kentucky, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were from 9 miles west of Cynthiana to near Georgetown to Lexington, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Georgetown, Paris, Cynthiana, Mead Althorpe, Thoroughbred Acres, Cardinal Hill, Cadentown, and Northland. Watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. and now includes the following counties: Mason, Kentucky, and Brown, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.